Hey everybody. So I want us to have a conversation regarding why so many retail traders are losing so much money. It's actually been annoying me for quite some time, and I just want to explain a couple of points why I think it is that so many of us, I'm a retail trader, why are we losing so much money? What is involved? What are we doing wrong? What can we do to mitigate the risk? So, if we go and look on eToro's website, eToro is the brokerage that I use. If you scroll down to the bottom of their website, you will see a very, very scary statistic. So, right at the bottom of their website, they mention CFDs are complex instruments and come with high risk of losing money rapidly due to leverage. 66% of retail investor accounts lose money when trading CFDs with this provider. And guys, if you go and look at all these brokerage websites, all of them will warn you that people lose money on average between 60 to even up to 80% of the time. That is a very, very scary statistic. Can you imagine that only 20 to 30% of people are actually making money trading? The rest are all losing money. That is a very scary and, quite frankly, annoying statistic. So, to my mind, what is going wrong? What is the problem? Why are we losing so much money? This is horrible. Like, what can we do in order to stop losing so much money and actually make some money? I mean, it would be amazing to make some money whilst you're sleeping. You open positions, and these positions are earning money for you whilst you're sleeping. You don't have to quit your day job. You keep your day job and you just do some trading on the side and you're earning an extra income. And how great is that? Now, the biggest problem, I believe, what is going wrong is due to greed. Plain and simple, it is human nature to be greedy when it comes to money. Me, myself, let's get rich quickly. How fantastic would that be? I mean, no need to work tomorrow, right? If I can make $5,000 today, then yeah. Cheers, boss man. See you never. Yeah, no, that's a joke. If my boss is watching this, I'm really just joking. No, no, I really don't mean that. So, yes, the biggest reason I believe people are losing money is due to greed and wanting to get rich overnight. These get rich quick schemes never work out well for anybody. So I want to give you a practical example. I found this trader on eToro, and on eToro you can see a trader's account history. So I looked at this person's account history, and for their first month, December, they made 10% profit, which is amazing. So I'm assuming that this person opened their account in December, and to make 10% in 1 month is brilliant. That's excellent. Then, furthermore, the person made a loss of 1% in January, which is totally acceptable. To lose 1% drawdown of your portfolio, that's not bad, that's okay. Then, February, this person made 20.69%. Guys, that is incredible returns. 20.69% in 1 month. Let's carry on. March, the person made 52.45% gains. That is incredible in my books. Let's carry on. What happens then in April? In April, what happened? Whole account blown. His whole account is blown in April. Lost 100%, boom, account gone. Alright, what happened in May? In May, 527% gains. It's crazy. It's crazy. Like, these figures are just unbelievable. What happened then in June? Up, account gone again. Whoopsie, what happened there? The problem is this person's risk score. This person's risk score is through the roof. Check it this. Average risk 6, mass 8. And then furthermore, yeah, his risk is going all the way to 10. 10 risk. He is totally risking his whole account every month. This is crazy. And this is totally unsustainable. By risking so much, you are bound to lose, guys. Look at this chart. This chart illustrates exactly what is wrong with risking so much at any given time. He started, made a small profit, and then lost heavily. This is due to risking too much. Then he actually recovered nicely. Came up, came up. This is actually excellent. I mean, this is huge gains. Then a massive drawdown and huge gains again. And what happened then? Whole account blown. All gone. Guys, this is not the way to do it. But this is why so many retail investors are losing so much money. This is the perfect example why so many retail investors are losing. Because everybody is just chasing that quick buck and trying to retire by 25 or 30 or whatever it is by trading and using very, very high leverage. The problem is people are using high leverage and big positions. If you are opening a 30% size position of your overall portfolio and you are using high leverage, this is a massive problem because this will drag down your whole portfolio and you might lose significant portions of your portfolio on a single trade. How to mitigate this? Open 10, 20 positions of different instruments with very low leverage. 1-to-1 is the best you can do. If you have to do 5 leverage and just open various positions, small positions, 2%, 3%, maximum 5% of your overall portfolio should be allocated to any given single position. Do not open higher percentages of your portfolio because this will, if it goes against you, it will drag down your overall portfolio too much. A final issue that causes people to lose so much money is FOMO, fear of missing out. You see the markets going up, you see people making money, and you just want a piece of the action. You get in too high and you lose money. Then the market has already made its move. If you see the market is significantly up, how much higher can it go in that day? There will be definitely a pullback. If any market goes up 5 or 10% in any given day, that market is pulling back for sure. If it's not pulling back the next day, give it a day or two and it will pull back and it will crash right through your stop loss and you will lose that position significantly. Fear of missing out, guys. Do not chase the market. The market rewards patience. This is a guarantee. Anybody who is patient and waits for their position to come to them will be rewarded. Another aspect is to do your trading very mechanically. Set your stop loss, set your take profit, and wait for it. Do not manually manage this trade constantly. This is not the way to do it. Definitely, I can recommend using stop losses and take profits and set them before you open the position and stick to them. If your stop loss hits, so what? Then that idea was incorrect and invalid and you are proven wrong. But if you choose a strategy and go with that strategy and it is a sound strategy, you will reap the benefits if you're patient. So just to recap, don't chase the market. Don't ever chase the market. Look for opportunities, be patient, diversify your portfolio, and wait for the market to reward you. This is the best anybody can do. Just be patient, do not chase the market, and furthermore, do not use high leverage on big positions. Don't risk your account significantly, guys. Just wait for it. Slow, constant growth is the way to go. And remember, save a match and buy a farm.